So do you want to switch your phone or you just want to back up your entire Instagram account? Let me show you how to download everything on your Instagram, from your photos to your videos, even down to your DMs. In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how you can do this as simple as possible. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. So most people don't know that they can actually export their entire history on Instagram. And no, I'm not talking about screenshots and saves. I mean like you downloading the actual data file that Instagram has on you. I'll be showing you how you can download your photos, your videos, your DMs, your comments, everything you have on your Instagram. I'll be showing you how you can download everything right now. So just pay attention as I start. So for you to do this, you simply go to your Instagram profile. As you can see, I am already on my Instagram profile. So what you do is you go to this 3 dash up here. Once you click on that, then you go to where you have account center. Can you see that? So click on account center. Once you tap on that, then come over to where you have your information and permissions. I guess you can see that right here, your information and permissions. So tap on it. Once you do that, then you come to where you have export your information. I guess you can see that. So once you tap on that, then this will load up for you. So right here you have to click on create export. Once you click on create export, choose the account you want to export. So I'll just choose the particular account right here. For you, that should not show if you are using just one account. So right here I'll click on export to device. Once I tap on export to device, so over here you can see all the informations that I can export. They said confirm your export, and right here you can see they said customize information. So these are all the information you can export. So just ensure you choose all available information if you want every information on your Instagram to export. And if you don't want to export all the information on your Instagram, you can tap on it to like select those that you really want to appear on your Instagram. Do you understand? So you can see all the details, all the informations that will be sent to you. These are everything. So let me just go back. So right here you can see the date duration. They said last year, so you can just edit this if you want it to be last week or last month or last 3 months or last 6 months. So any duration you want it to cover, you can just select it right here. The thing you must know is that the longer the content, the longer it will take them to send the information to you. So just try to limit it as much as possible. Then leave the format as HTML, the media quality as medium. That's very good. And then they'll send an email to you. They'll send all this to you through an email. So once I click on start export, you can see the email they'll send the information to right here. So once I click on start export, let's wait for this. I guess you can see that they said your information is being prepared for export. We will let you know when it's ready. Can you see? So once this is ready, they will send the information to my email. So what I'll do is I'll go to my email, open that information. It will be in form of a link. So I'm to tap on that link to download the information. So the thing about this is that you cannot upload that information to your Instagram account again. It is just for your personal use. Do you understand? It is just for your personal use. So and that is basically how you go about exporting all your information on Instagram, all your data on Instagram. So if you got value, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.